and I'm back with another video. So today I'm here with another Tory Burch haul, and I wanted to show you some items that I was able to pick up from the main store and both the outlet store. I totally just love Tory Burch. Let me tell you, my closet has so much Tory Burch, like it's becoming a problem. But yet again, I was back at the main store and the outlet store, and I wanted to go ahead and show you what I was able to pick up. So if you're interested in seeing today's haul, go ahead and keep watching this video. And just go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you don't want to miss my future hauls and my future purchases, because your girl loves to shop. So go ahead and stay tuned. So the first item that I picked up was a new bag. I actually already wore this, but I remember that I never hauled it, so I want to go ahead and show you. I just have the bag in its duster, but I ended up picking up the black and gold Fleming bag. I just love Tory Burch. It's the details for me, and I like items that have a black chain on them. So when I saw this combination, it was definitely a must-have purchase for me. So this is the Fleming bag, and it has the Tory Burch logo embossed in the top, and I ended up getting the all black one with the gold hardware. It has this little tassel on there. Being 100% honest, this tassel is kind of aggravating when you're wearing the bag because it just moves all around with the chain. So I try to put it on the bag where it won't move that much, but this thing has a mind of its own. And I end up carrying my bag mostly with the chain in the half position, but you can also adjust it and kind of make it, sorry, having technical difficulties, but you can adjust the bag and make it into a crossbody if you want, but I prefer to carry mine like this. And this leather is really, really soft. You have to be careful with the Fleming bag because it will just scratch even your hand, your nails. So the one con about this bag is that the leather is so soft that it can scratch really easily. So I try not to wear this bag for more than a couple days at a time, and then I end up just putting it back in the duster bag. The bag has really good craftsmanship, and that's why I just absolutely love Tory Burch, because the quality of the items is so apparent when you buy them. The back of it has this like a pocket. So I typically slide my phone back there, and it just opens by a simple flap in the front. It's a magnet, has a really good snap, so you know it's closed. But again, you have to be really, really delicate with this bag because the leather is very soft and it can scratch easily. So I'm always trying to be aware of what I'm doing when I have this bag on. This bag can hold a lot of stuff. As I told you, I've wore this bag a couple times already, and I could fit a lot of stuff in here. It is really deep. As you can see, I kind of have some lip glosses and stuff still in there in a compact, but this bag has a lot of storage. And also in the inside, there are 2 pockets and another zipper. I could fit my mask, my wallet, my phone, hand sanitizer, other things in here. I mean, like, this bag holds a lot. I will say if it's too boxy or if it's too firm, I typically try not to put that in the bag because it's very, very soft, and I try not to make any like imprints in the leather. But other than that, I could fit a lot of stuff in here. And that's what I like about this bag, because it's functional and it's like really cute. So I mostly wear it kind of, as you can see, just under my shoulder. I haven't really worn it as a crossbody just because it's so delicate and soft. I know I would just mess the purse up. So I actually ended up finding a pair of shoes that matches my Fleming bag so perfectly. I just had to have them. So let me go ahead and get to those. So what is the name of this shoe? This shoe is called the Perfect Black. The Everly Slide in the perfect black color. And it is perfect. It really does go with my purse so nicely. So this is the slide. Isn't that so nice? And it's like a really nice matted black leather with the Tory Burch gold emblem right on the foot here. I really like this style because I have a few pair of Miller sandals and I felt like this one was a little more dressy and I can get a lot more wear out of this because more of your foot is covered. I just love this slide. These slides were really good price. I ended up picking these up from the Tory Burch outlet that we have here. And I think I paid like $135 for these. But I mean, I just love them and they're so comfortable. They actually have a cushion, as you can see on the heel. And here's the up close of that logo. It's like a matted gold. It's not really, really shiny, but it looks so beautiful on your feet. And living in Florida, I could wear these pretty much all year because it doesn't get that cold here. So I definitely thought these were a closet staple when I saw them in the outlet. So I wanted to show you how the slide looks next to the purse. I mean, it's spot on. This is such a great matchup. And I'm pretty sure these are from different collections, but this just looks so good. And I ended up going with black because I could just wear it with pretty much almost everything in my closet. And I saw this slide and I just thought this was super, super a good combination. I will probably go back and try to see if I could find like a boot or a fully closed in shoe with this same black color and the emblem on it, just so I could have a fully closed in shoe to go with the purse as well. But I just absolutely love this combination. It is so nice. So that's it for today's haul. Go ahead and leave me a comment down below if you also have a Fleming bag and just let me know what you think about it. Also, let me know if you like how I've paired the slides with the purse for this stylish haul. I greatly appreciate everyone taking the time to watch this video. If you're not a member of this channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that way you won't miss a future upload. Thanks for watching.